Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView paper trading. First, navigate to the trading panel at the bottom of your chart. Click on the Connect button next to TradingView paper trading. This allows you to simulate trades using virtual funds, providing a risk-free environment to test strategies. It's a fantastic way to get comfortable with the platform's trading interface before committing real capital. Let's dive in and set up your first virtual account. Now that your paper trading account is active, let's place a trade. You can use the buy or sell buttons directly on the chart or through the order panel. Experiment with market orders for instant execution or limit orders to specify your desired price. Once placed, your virtual position will appear in the trading panel. This hands-on practice helps you understand order flow and execution without any financial risk, building confidence in your trading decisions. Effective trade management is crucial. In the trading panel, you can easily modify or cancel any pending orders before they are filled. To close an open position, simply click the X next to it. This allows you to lock in virtual profits or cut virtual losses. Regularly reviewing your account history and performance metrics helps you analyze your strategies and identify areas for improvement, refining your approach to the markets. TradingView's paper trading offers more than just basic execution. You can reset your account balance whenever you wish, allowing for fresh starts or testing new capital allocations. Implement stop-loss and take-profit orders to automate risk management, simulating real-world trading scenarios. These tools are invaluable for developing disciplined trading habits. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.